Pluto was supposed to be frozen, dead, a silent rock drifting in darkness at the edge of the solar system. But something is moving on its surface. Ice is flowing. Its atmosphere disappears, then comes back. And scientists still don't fully understand why. If Pluto is dead, why is it behaving like it's alive? Here, what makes this strange? Small worlds cool fast. They lose their internal heat. They freeze solid. They stop changing. Pluto is tiny. It should have died billions of years ago. But in 2015, when a spacecraft finally flew past Pluto for the first time, it saw something impossible. Not just one strange thing. Multiple signs of activity. The surface wasn't what anyone expected. Scientists thought they would see craters everywhere. Old worlds are covered in scars from billions of years of impacts. But parts of Pluto look smooth, bright, almost untouched. And in space, smooth means young. No craters means the surface was renewed recently. But renewed by what? We are nearly 6 billion kilometers from the sun. There isn't enough sunlight to power change like that. So where is the energy coming from? Then they noticed something even stranger. A massive heart shape on Pluto's surface. Yes, Pluto has a giant heart. But this heart isn't just a cute feature. It may be the key to everything. Inside that heart is a vast plain made of nitrogen ice. And that ice isn't just sitting there. It appears to be moving, slowly flowing, circulating, almost like a pot of boiling water, except it's frozen solid. For ice to move like that, there must be heat underneath it. Not sunlight, internal heat. But Pluto is too small to still have strong internal heat. Unless something beneath the surface is still active. Some scientists believe Pluto may have a hidden ocean. Liquid water, buried under thick layers of ice. It sounds impossible, a world that cold shouldn't have liquid anything. But radioactive elements inside Pluto's rocky core could still be producing small amounts of heat. Over billions of years, that heat might be enough to keep a deep ocean from freezing completely. If that ocean exists, Pluto isn't dead. It's internally alive. And if the inside is active, the surface changes make more sense. But it gets even stranger. Pluto has an atmosphere. It's thin and fragile, made mostly of nitrogen. And it doesn't stay the same. As Pluto moves closer to the Sun during its long orbit, the ice warms slightly. The atmosphere forms and expands. But as Pluto drifts farther away, temperatures drop. The atmosphere literally freezes and falls back to the surface like snow. Imagine an entire sky collapsing, then slowly rising again, over and over. Pluto isn't static. It cycles. It transforms. It breathes in slow motion. And there's more. Pluto doesn't orbit the Sun alone in a simple way. It has a massive moon called Charon, and the two are locked together in a gravitational dance. They don't behave like a normal planet and moon. They orbit each other like partners. This constant gravitational pull creates stress inside Pluto, stretching, squeezing, flexing the interior. That stress may generate additional heat. Not much, but maybe enough. Enough to keep parts of it from completely freezing. There's also evidence that long ago, Pluto experienced a massive collision. An enormous impact that may have reshaped its surface and even created Charon. That collision could have trapped heat inside Pluto's interior. Heat that never fully escaped. What we're seeing today might be the slow aftermath of something ancient and violent. And here's the part most people forget. We only saw Pluto up close once. One flyby, a few hours of detailed observation. That's it. Imagine trying to understand Earth by flying past it one time and never coming back. We've only seen one side of Pluto, one moment in its incredibly long year. For all we know, changes could still be happening right now, far beyond our view. Pluto was supposed to be small, cold, dead. Instead, it has moving ice fields, a disappearing atmosphere, possible underground oceans, gravitational tension, and signs of geological youth. It was demoted, labeled insignificant, pushed aside. But it may be one of the most dynamic objects in our solar system. Pluto wasn't dead. We just assumed it was. And if we were wrong about Pluto, a frozen world at the edge of everything, what else in our universe have we underestimated?